Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update.
Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this golden eye makeup tutorial. Like, it's been so long I haven't uploaded any makeup tutorial and I just thought of filming this look. I had no clue that what I was going for. I just wanted to do something golden, so here the look is. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna start by priming up my face, and for that I'm going with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and I'm going to apply this on the T-zone. And now I'll be going with the foundation, and this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade Warm Beige 05. So I'm going to apply this all over my face, and I'm going to blend this out with a damp beauty sponge. And after the concealer, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. And again, I'm going to blend this out with the same beauty sponge. So before the concealer crease, I'm going with the compact powder to set the areas, and this is the Maybelline White Superfresh Compact Powder. And now for contouring my face, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'll go with this on the hollows of my cheeks. I'm going with this on the temple area and on my forehead. And even I'm going with this on the jawline. And now I'm going to contour my nose. So as you can see, I'm almost done with my base. I'm going to move on to my highlighter and the blush later on, but now I'm going to move on to my eyes. But before that, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows off the camera. So if you wish to check out my eyebrow routine, you can just go on this eye right here, you'll get that video. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys after filling in my eyebrows. So guys, I'm back after filling in my brows. Even I have applied some lip balm, and for that I have gone with this Nivea Peach Shine, and even as you can see, I have concealed my lids. And now let's move on to the eye makeup. For the crease color, I'm going with this contour shade from Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. So I'm going with this on the crease area, and I'm just gonna blend this in the back and forward motion. And then I'm going in with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run Palette. And I'm going with this on the outer corner, and even I'll be dragging this on the crease area. And even you can see that I'm placing this on the outer V and lightly taking this on the crease. I'm not going above that contour shade, but yeah, I'm just keeping this in this area and making sure that both the shades are nicely blended together. And now from the PAC eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with this golden shade, and I'm applying this all over the lids. And now again, I'm going with this copper shade, and I'm just going to blend the outer V, and even I'm going to soften the edges out so there are no harsh lines. And now again, I'm going with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out on the crease area. So now for the liner, I'm going with this Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. And now for the mascara, I'm going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So now for the blusher, I'm going with this pink shade from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. And I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And again, I'm going with this on the tops of my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip, and even I'm going on the cupid's bow, lightly on the forehead, whatever is there on my brush, and even on the chin. And now for my lipstick, I'm going with this Nykaa Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Naughty Nude. I just want to go for a nude warm shade, so I'm going with this right here. So guys, that's it for this golden eye makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like. And even you can wear this look with any of your Indian or Western outfit, whatever you choose. You can just go with this look like for any functions, and even if you just want to wear makeup, so you can surely go ahead and do this makeup look. Yeah, that's all for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to hit this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, obviously you have to hit the bell button, otherwise you won't be notified whenever I'm uploading, so do hit that. And yeah, that's all for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, and all my social media handles and the makeup details are there in the description box, so do check out. And if you have any requests for me, do comment down below. I'll surely create something for you guys. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image. And thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.